Welcome viewer. This video tutorial describes fix Tcpip.sys blue screen error on Windows 11, 10. First method is type CMD in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Type net sh space, int space, ip space, reset. Exit and restart system. Second method is right-click Start button, click Device Manager. Click and expand network adapters, right-click network adapter, click update driver, click search automatically for drivers. Third method is right-click Start button, click Device Manager. Click and expand network adapters, right-click network adapter, click update driver, click Browse my computer for drivers, click Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer, select model, click Next. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.